Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install any program that installed in your Windows in very simple steps. All what you need to do, go for control panel, which is control panel. It's gonna be opening like this one. After that, go for install a program, and here guys you will find each program that you need to install it in very seconds. All what you need to do, for example the Slack, I will just press it. So it's like installed because it's already like having like files issues. So it's gonna be installing directly, let's say in TikTok files, like installing. It's gonna be popping up like this, like there is a pop-up. That's it guys, how to install a program in your computer. I hope you like video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Peace.